Hello student, today we have to learn about the subphylum Vertebrata. As we know, subphylum Vertebrata classify into two divisions. First, Agnatha, second, Gnatostomata. Today we have to learn about the Agnatha, means lack of the jaw. Agnatha consists of only one class, Cyclostomata. Today we have to learn about the cyclostomata and the characteristic features of the cyclostomata. First of all, meaning of cyclostomata. Cyclostomata, in which cyclo means circular and the stomata means mouth, means member of cyclostomata consist of circular mouth. Now let us discuss one by one characteristic features of cyclostomata. First character is here. Cyclostomata are jawless and having the structure eel-like. सायक्लोस्टोमॅटामध्ये जॉ अबसेंट आहे आणि स्ट्रक्चर जे आहे जे ईल सारखं स्ट्रक्चर या ठिकाणी इथं पाहायला मिळते. सेकंड कॅरेक्टर इज हिअर. Cyclostomata consist of soft, smooth skin without the scale and having the unicellular mucus gland. स्केल absent आहे, स्किन जे आहे हे सॉफ्ट आहे, स्मूथ आहे, सोबतच त्या ठिकाणी युनिसेल्युलर म्युकस ग्लँड यामध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे. नेक्स्ट कॅरेक्टर इज हिअर. Member of Cyclostomata consist of only one fin, median fins, and pairs fins are absent. Means here, median fins are present. On the contrary, paired fins are absent. Next characteristic feature is here. The member of Cyclostomata known as ectoparasite. They are survived on the body of fish. They also attach to the body of the fish with the help of circular mouth. This circular mouth also consists of sucker. Hence, this cyclostomata can survive on the body of the fishes. Hence, it is known as the ectoparasite. आपल्याला माहित आहे पॅरासाइट म्हणजे परजीवी आणि इक्टोपॅरासाइट म्हणजे बाह्य परजीवी जे दुसऱ्या लिव्हिंग बॉडीवर आपलं जीवन जगतात, संपूर्ण जीवन त्याच्यावर काढतात, अशाला म्हणतो आपण इक्टोपॅरासाइट. आणि हा जो सायक्लोस्टोमॅटाचे जे मेंबर आहे हे इक्टोपॅरासाइट म्हणून या ठिकाणी काम करतात. द मेंबर ऑफ सायक्लोस्टोमॅटा consist of cranium as well as vertebral column. But this both cranium and the vertebral column made up of cartilage. म्हणजे इथं मेंबर ऑफ सायक्लोस्टोमॅटा मध्ये एनिमल्स मध्ये या ठिकाणी क्रॅनियम जे आहे आणि व्हर्टिब्रल कॉलम जे आहे ते कार्टिलेज पासून बनलेले असते. पण ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी जर पाहिलं आपण ह्युमन बिंग मध्ये किंवा अदर एनिमल्स मध्ये जर पाहिलं आपण तर ते बोन पासून बनलेले असतात आणि हे कार्टिलेज फ्लेक्सिबल असते बट प्रोव्हाइड वन सपोर्ट to the structure of that particular region. Now, next character is about digestive system. Digestive system is present in a cyclostomata but without stomach. Means digestive system present आहे पण या digestive system मध्ये cyclostomata मध्ये stomach हे absent आहे. Next character is here about the respiration. Respiration occurs by 6 to 15 pairs of gills slit and these gill slit are without covering of the operculum. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी 6 to 15 gill slit help in a respiration in the member of cyclostomata. But this gill slit, 6 to 15 gill slit, doesn't have any cover, because as you know, sometimes there is a cover is present known as the operculum. Operculum म्हणजे एक प्लेट लाईक स्ट्रक्चर असते जे गिल स्लिटला कव्हर करते काही फिशेस मध्ये. But here operculum is absent but the gill slit are present, which is 6 to 15 help in a respiration of the cyclostomata. Next characteristic feature is the heart is present with the two chamber. One chamber is auricles and another chamber is the ventricle. The two chambered heart is present in a cyclostomata. Then next character is here gonad is single large without gonoduct. Gonads म्हणजे reproductive organ is a single. Reproductive organ या ठिकाणी single आहे, large आहे, but doesn't have gonoduct. There is gonoduct. Duct is not present. That present in the reproductive organs. Next characteristic features here, fertilization is the external. Means the fusion of gametes takes place inside the water, not internal body. Hence, in a cyclostomata, fertilization is external. Cyclostomata are anadromous. As we know, cyclostomata are exclusively marine, but for the spawning, cyclostomata can migrate from marine water to the fresh water. In the fresh water, they are undergoing the spawning, means the laying the eggs. But after the spawning, cyclostomata die within a few days. But the larva of cyclostomata which found in a fresh water, they again migrate to the marine water. Now the example is Petromyzon, which is also known as lamprey. Another example is here Myxine, that is also known as the hagfish. So that is all about the cyclostomata. Thank you.